fourth class children, good morning everyone. So how are you fourth class children? Everyone are fine and listening the lessons. So whoever you are listening the lessons, I told to tell your friends to listen the lessons. So as well as whatever we are doing, you have to do it. So here children, we completed the lesson nearly to the 18 lessons. So here the 19th lesson, we are moving to the 19th lesson children. In the English of 4th class, a good boy. So here the lesson name is only the good boy. So here we call a good means very nice boy. Manchi abbai. We'll call Manchi abbai. So here before starting the lesson, I given for you homework. So present, past, future and Faras to complete right then, and this one also creative. So you did it children. Whether if you are not doing here, so many days are there for you, so many time also there for you. So to do that one, so now I will explain for you the lesson number 19, that is a good boy. So ఒక మంచి అబ్బాయి గురించి ఇది ఏం చేస్తాడో తను చేసి ఎందుకు గుడ్ బాయ్ అని నేమ్ వచ్చింది ఈ లెసన్కి చూద్దాం. I woke before the morning, I was happy all the day. I woke before the morning, I was happy all the day. So woke up ante లేవడం. So whenever he woke up in the morning, I was happy. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటాను all the day. I never said an ugly words but smiled and stuck to play. He never told ugly words, bad words. So he never smiled and stuck to play. Here he was always smiled and stuck to play. And now at last the sun is going down behind the hood. Here the sun is going behind the down of the hood. I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. So here he was very happy to be. He was very good. My bed is waiting cool and fresh with linen smooth and fair. So here when morning is there, he was very happy. Again the day has been completed, again the night is come. The bed is waiting, he is telling, to very smooth and linen bed is waiting for him. And I must be off to sleep and not forgot my prayer. So here again, so hereafter going to the bed, he never forgot his prayer. Means they will do before going to the bed. They will, some people, the children, they will pray, mother, father also they will pray. So nowadays nothing is there. If you have phone, that is only everything for you. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun rises. So here he wants to know what it is tomorrow. He wants to see the sun that is rises. But no ugly dream shall fight my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. Here he should not get any ugly, bad dreams and bad whatever. Here in his eyes it should not be ugly, it must. But slumber hold my tightly till I wake in the dawn. Here he was slumbered. He has been holded tightly till he is in the dawn. And here the thrushes singing in a likas round the land. So here he is here, the thrushes of the singing in the likas round the land. So this is a good boy. He is praying before going to the bed. So he don't use bad words, and he will play with the help, with the smile and without any stucks, and is very happy with his whatever the he will be with him. So whatever the day passes, he is very happy. With the get upping, he will be prayer. Going to the bed also, he is praying. So his mind, he is telling that he should not get any bad dreams or bad words from his eyes, whatever he sees in his dreams. So whatever he will be, it has to be good for him. So whatever the relax here, relaxation is there around the land, he must be here in the thrushes singing. So here this is a small poem children, a very small poem. So here chinna poem ఇది ఒక చాలా చిన్న poem, good boy poem. So I woke up, again I will tell for you. I woke before the morning, I was happy all the day. I woke up, I woke before the morning, I was happy all the day. I never said an ugly word but smiled and stuck to play. I never said an ugly words but smiled and stuck to play. And now at last the sun is going down behind the hood. And now at the last the sun is going down behind the hood. And now at last the sun is going down behind the hood. And I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. And I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. My bed is waiting cool and fresh. My bed is waiting cool and fresh, with linen smooth and fair. And I must be off to sleep. And I must be off to sleep. And not forget to see. And not forgot my prayer. And not forgot my prayer. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dreams shall fight my mind. No ugly sight my eyes. But slumber, hold me tightly till I wake in the dawn, and hear the thrushes singing in the relax around the lawn. So here this is a poem, a small poem, children. A good boy is telling the poem for us. Okay, so you also once go through the poem. So it is a very small poem. So here summative, formative assessment is there. Summative and formative assessment, small question answers here there. Why did the poem do all? What did the poem do all the day? Describe his bed in 2 lines. What does? Very small poem, children. A good boy. It is a few lines poem. So here chala chinna poem. So once you also go through this poem, when he is going to the bed, he is praying. So we will go to the summative and formative assessment. Answer the questions are there. Bit number 1. First one is A. What did the poet do all the day? So here the poet, what he did all the day, he is asking here. He smiled and happily played all the day. First answer is the poet smiled and happily played all the day. This is the A answer. So the B answer, what is the question? Describe his bed in 2 lines. So he is asking to describe his bed in 2 lines. His bed is cool and fresh. First one is his bed is cool and fresh. Next, it has smooth and fair linen on it. So these are the A, B answer. The first one is, what did the poet do all the day? So the poet is always smile and happily played all the day. Describe his bed in 2 lines. His bed is cool and fresh. It is as smooth and fair linen on it. So these are the 2 answers. Next, B. So C, D, E are there. Again I will write this one. You write down in your class. No textbooks. C answer. What does the poet expect to hear when he wakes up? When he wakes up, what he want to listen? The poet expects the ear to thrush a singing of licklackers around the land. The poet expects to hear the thrushes singing in the Elatus around the land. D1 is here. Down into the morning as dash is to the evening. Down. Hey, down is to morning as twilight. Twilight is to evening. This is the D1 answer. Down is to be morning. Down is to morning as twilight is to evening. So this is the bit number D. So next we are moving to the bit number D, that is last one. E. The answer E. Why is he happy? To the end of the day. Why was he happy at the end of the day? Because the poet was happy. The poet is happy at the end of the day because he knows that he has been good throughout the day. So this is the E answer, children. So now we completed the poem as well as lesson. So here small homework summative 3 is there. So you do it, children. It is a very good. So here it is a very little bit. A good boy after a good boy poem. It is a very little bit. So here yesterday I told to creativity active. Here writing you have to do. I told Ravi. This one you did it. So here we completed till 19 lessons, children. A good boy poem. Once again you also revise it. Do revision. So here revision is summative based on the lessons. Drive, distance. So you have to here write it. Okay. So now we completed the lesson. So once I will explain for you parts of speech. So here oval words A, E, I, O, U. All are oval words. Next parts of speech. It is how many parts of speech? Noun, verb, adverb, noun, pronoun. Next adjective, interjection, conjunction. These are the parts of speech. Here we have. So these are the parts of speech. We have verb, noun, pronoun, adverb, conjunction, interjection. So these all are the parts of speech. So noun, it is a place, thing. So here place, thing, animal's name. It is a noun. So it is instead of now pronoun. It is now instead of noun we have to the pronoun. So here verb. You know everyone this all. So just I am giving explanation for you. So however whatever we are reading. So in the textbook whatever some are there. Here in the middle of the textbook also we got the pronoun, noun. So comprehension lo middle lo grammar part lo manaku noun ochindi. Next homonyms, synonyms ivanni vachayi manaku. So ee grammar part anedi chaala important. So like that verb, noun, pronoun ivanni chaala important manaku. So negative sentence, positive sentence kuda manam chadukunnam. So here it is a very easy. So here picture readings, picture comprehensions, mali singular and plural kuda manam chadivamu. So here this all comes into the grammar part. So ivanni manaku grammar part kindike vastayi. Prati oka lesson lo manaku grammar undi. So it is having grammar part. So here punctuations also we have learned. So parts of speech tarvata next punctuations. తర్వాత పంక్చుయేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఏది అవసరమో మనకు పంక్చుయేషన్ ద్వారా కూడా మనం నేర్చుకున్నాము. మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ మార్క్ అంటే ఏంటిది, క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అంటే ఏంటిది, దిస్ ఆల్ వి రెడ్ ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. సో హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ నౌ we will move to the tomorrow next another lesson. So here it is a very small lesson, so a little bit of lesson is there, so very small lesson, so I told for you to do. Okay, it is a very very small lesson. See, you can see here chala chinna lesson idi. So a good boy, once again I will repeat for you because less time we have got in this. So parts of speech now I told for you. So next, in the next class I'll explain the, after completing the English I'll start oval words, parts of speech, punctuations, negative passage, positive passage, punctuations, as well as past, present, future tense. After that comma, full stop, this all everything I'll explain you in the next class. So once again shall I repeat for you the poem, A Good Boy. I woke before the morning, I was happy all the day. I never said an ugly words, but smiled and stuck to play. And now at last, the sun is going down behind the wood. And I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. My bed is waiting, my bed is waiting, my bed is waiting. My bed is waiting cool and fresh, within lining smooth and fair, and I must be off to sleep, and now forgot my prayer. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dream shall fight my mind, no ugly sight my eyes, but slumber, hold the tightly till I wake up down, and I hear the thrushes singing like clackers around the land. So this is a poem, once again I repeated for you. So you also read the poem carefully without spelling mistakes. You must, a good boy, he is a good boy. What you will do in your goodness of our daily use, whatever, whenever we go to sleep we have to do prayer, whenever we woke up we have to wish your parents. So whatever, whoever there, it is a good boy. So he prays before going to bed, and morning when he wake up he will wake up in the smile face, so they will be very happy. So he is praying here, children. So now I will leave my class. It is a very small poem, so now I will leave my class. Take care, children, read well, and whoever don't have books, please take the books. This is important for you. Just taking books is not a big for you. So many your parents will be do for you. So if you tell to your parents, they will also buy for you. Thank you very much, children. Now I will leave my class.